Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Sony Xperia 5 free. Firstly, open Play Store on both smartphones, click on the search bar and type in Send Anywhere. Then install this app from this developer. I already did that on Sony because it was taking forever, so I can open it right away. Choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on an Android. Now choose Receive on Sony and Send on an Android. Then click on all of those dots and choose Send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them. It will take a while though, so I will only go with this one song, choose Send and tap on Got It. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can scan QR code by clicking on the scanning icon on Sony, choosing while using the app or only this time, and pointing device's camera at the code. But we can also just input this key here and tap on Receive. Then wait. And now as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Sorry, my song. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!